What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at $43,148. What I want to do is look at Bitcoin here on the 1-day time frame. Then we're going to get into the 4 hours, show you a little bit more detail of what's going on. I want to make these videos quick and efficient for you, point out the main levels so you can watch these and put them on your charts as well, guys, and I think it can really help you. So if you get something from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always helps out the channel. For the 100 people who consistently give me those likes or comments, I really appreciate it, guys. So let's dig into this. I'm on my laptop again, so just bear with me with the volume or anything that's a little bit different than when I'm in my office, and we'll dig into this. So guys, what we're looking at right now for Bitcoin, most important area still is going to be right around this 41,000. I have it at 41,189, and the reason for that is you can see we've tested this several times. So we've made it down around 39,571. We tested it again at 40,000. We tested it again at 41.6. Yesterday we had a nice close with a lot of wick here, so the bulls stepped in. We made it all the way down to about 40,819, and then we went all the way up and had a nice close at around 43,000. So what we were looking at with these candles here, I want to see some continuation today. And it looks like we've actually had a little bit of rejection here at about 44,448. So we do need to be aware of that. Looking at this on the daily candle, we tried to push up higher to challenge this downtrend line here, and we saw some rejection. So we definitely want to stay up above our candle close from yesterday. If we do drop any lower, I'm going to look for that 41,189 to hold. Because yesterday it wasn't looking too bad. The only thing that was concerning to me was the fact that our volume was a little bit lower. And what we have going on right now, guys, we have lower highs that were taking place. So this was just another lower high if that's all the higher that we make it. And what we were trying to do is get that higher low. So we pushed up, had a nice candle close. This was our higher low. We were going up to try to make a higher high, break out of this downtrend line. And we're actually seeing a little bit of rejection. So definitely keep that on your radar. That's what's going to be most important. I want to see how this daily candle closes, if we can gain a little bit of strength and have a candle close above yesterday's candle, because we saw all that wick, all that defense. So if we step out, you can actually see we have basically a downtrend line that's fanning out a little bit. So we have our main red downtrend line here that we need to pay attention to, and then what you can see is this white one, how we fanned off down into that as well. So we need to get through this first one, and then it's going to be up challenging these higher levels. And I would put that roughly at around 48,605 is going to be a big area for us, as well as getting over top of the 200 moving average, which is going to be at 45,497. So guys, that's the thing. I mean, you gotta manage your risk in these situations. Realize that if 41,000 is lost, we're most likely going to be looking down to about 37,404, and you have to think to yourself, what do I want to do in that area? Am I a buyer? What am I going to do? Have a plan for everything. If it could drop down and we lost even that area, and we went back down to 30,000, have a plan for that area. If we break out of this white trend line, have a plan. That's what I'm trying to tell you, is watch these areas and have a plan. Because if we break out of this white trend line on heavy volume, that's going to be looking good, and we can look up to some of these higher levels. But if we continue to see rejection here, most likely we're going to drop lower and see if we can hold that support. And that's just kind of how this works. And we have to pay attention, obviously, to news and everything, but I think technicals can really help you. What I personally would like to see, guys, is this be basically a big pull. Here's our flag, and then we have a nice breakout to the upside out of that. You know, that'd be wonderful, but anything can happen in this space. You can have these bands or fake bands, whatever, come out at any moment, and the whole market can change. So anyone who says they know exactly where the market's going, don't listen to that. Really watch the technicals. Look at support, resistance, the candles, trend lines, volume. That's what's going to be the most effective for you, I promise you. That's what's going to help you out. Now, if we get into the 4 hour, let me pull this up. If you guys like that, let me know down low if you appreciate it. So if we take a look here at the 4 hour, same deal, guys. We're looking at the trends, right? So high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So this we need to get up over top of roughly about 45,154 on the 4 hour time frame. It's going to be a large area for us. But you can see we're having kind of a mixed bag here, almost getting into the squeezing formation because we did put in a higher low. So from our low, we pushed up, higher low, lower high, higher low, then we got a higher high. Now we're trying to set a higher low. I know it gets crazy in here, guys, and then a higher high. So we're really watching to see if we can hold this area here for about $42,900 is going to be the area on the 4-hour time frame. Then obviously look down to that 41,189. I didn't want to make this too long, guys. I just really want you to watch these key areas, because if they break, that's when things change. Okay? So use this information, not financial advice. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.